This elegant wall-mounted jewelry cabinet is not just a mirror, but also a perfect organizer for your precious items. It enhances the decor of your bathroom. Featuring 2 drawers, this jewelry cabinet offers ample storage space for your accessories. Keep your items neatly organized and easily accessible. This tall lockable mirror jewelry cabinet ensures the security of your valuables. The lock mechanism provides peace of mind while keeping your items safe. Introducing our multifunctional rotatable mirrored storage wooden floor stand mirror with jewelry cabinet. This elegant piece adds a touch of sophistication to any bathroom vanity setup. The mirror rotates effortlessly, providing you with a full 360-degree view. It's perfect for getting ready, ensuring you look your best from every angle. Beyond its beauty, this mirror features a hidden jewelry cabinet, offering ample storage space to keep your precious accessories neatly organized and easily accessible.